Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. And what do you do morning to evening?
I wake up at morning.
Yes, sir.
I brush my teeth. I drink some water.
Okay.
I had my breakfast, and then I pack my bags and I went to college and I attend my classes. At 12:30, I have lunch break, and after that I attend my remaining classes.
Okay.
I completed my classes at 4 o'clock and I returned to my home. I spent my time with my sister and then I have my snacks and then I fresh up and I watch mobile and I have my dinner and I then sleep.
Okay, there are two mistakes are there. I ain't right. I went to college. One thing you have to say that one go. And one also I had my breakfast. You told I have simple present only.
Okay, sir.
Simple past you used. Okay, nice talking to you.
Thank you, sir.
First time.